App Store not working. I am going to show you how you can easily fix the App Store not working. First, open Settings on your iPhone, then tap on your Apple ID. Now scroll down and tap on Sign Out. After that, you will be asked for your password. So enter your Apple ID, password, and sign out of your account, then sign in. Now go back to Settings, then tap on Screen Time. Here, scroll down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Tap on Allowed Apps. Here, you will see a list of apps. Make sure that the app you are having trouble with is allowed. Then go back and tap on Content Restrictions. Tap on Apps. Make sure that Allow All Apps is selected. Now go back and scroll down to tap on App Store. Here, scroll down and tap on App Downloads. Make sure that you have set this to Always Allow. These settings should enable your iPhone apps to download from the App Store without any problem. If the issue persists, open the Control Center and enable Airplane Mode. Wait a few seconds, then disable Airplane Mode and connect to your Wi-Fi or mobile data. Your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection may be unstable. You can check your connection or change your network to resolve the App Store issue. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.